time. It's terrible and it's worth it.
You can't. Started my own business 7 years ago. Went out into the middle of the lake. It was a pretty deep lake. Lake Michigan, probably, like something like that. And I just got dropped off right in the middle of the lake. And that was me running the business. There I was. And I just kept treading those waters. Kind of the story of my life. I've been treading through deep waters all my life. You know what I mean? But there was so long, I was like, man, this is not worth it. This is not worth it. And I kept treading through those waters. I kept treading through those deep waters. I found out things that I should be doing, other things that I shouldn't be doing. I made huge mistakes on the way. There was a lot of struggle, lots and lots of struggle. But I'm 7 years into it. And I knew that you had to build systems and all that stuff to get it right, but I couldn't take off the tool belt. I finally took off the tool belt. I was kind of pushed into it. My back just started hurting all the time. I would work myself into the ground and suffer the rest of the day until the next morning and wake up and go do it again. All while building the business too and trying to figure out the right way to do things. Because I couldn't find anybody else out there that I could copy that was doing things the right way. So I was like, I have to figure this out on my own. I can't find a system that works for me. So I have to just build that system in my company that will, one, protect the homeowner and give them what they want. Two, protect the worker and pay them decently. And three, I can't hold three fingers up. Three, I had to get rid of the chaos for me. Somebody needs to be in charge and running the business part of things. And it's not just somebody, it's usually more than, at the level our business is at, we need a few people to run just the business side of things. So I've set people up in certain places. My tax preparer, my bank, my subcontractors, my customers. We explain the process to the customer and the subcontractor, and we meet them in the middle and help them figure things out and get the jobs done at a decent rate. We have teams, different sets of teams for different skills. So depending on what you have, we can send you the team that fits you best. And, you know, it's just, like I said, it's a way. When we come up with the way that we do things, and everybody could look at it on a piece of paper, or you could say, hey, this is the way, or any one of our subcontractors can say, this is how they do things, and the customer can say, hey, you should get a hold of Corry's Homework because this is the way they do things. That's pretty cool. That's amazing. That feels good. A lot of people are recommending me because we do have a way of doing things, and our way works. I'd appreciate it if you live in the Vincennes area or you're close by Vincennes, Indiana, one of the surrounding counties. The closer to Vincennes, the better, but we're reaching out to subcontractors too, that not just customers. This video is kind of for customers, but the video is for subcontractors too. If you want to join our team, you can give me a holler and we'll figure out a way to make it work for you. Customers, they love the way we do. They love the way we do things. We're going to keep doing them that way, and just keep improving our system according to the way the customers and the subcontractors, according to the way that improves everybody's experience. So check us out. Hit one of the links and you can read all about how our business operates. You can go to YouTube, you can go to Instagram, you can go to Facebook. Check us out. Maybe you want to hire us. Maybe you want to work with us. Maybe you want us to work beside you. Until next time, this is Corry Myers with Corry's Homework. I'm signing out. Talk to you guys later. Keep your heads up. Life's hard. It doesn't have to be hard. You can work on your life and improve it for yourself by doing the right things. I'm talking to you.